The UCO Candle Lantern is a great survival tool and camping gear to add to any pack, any bug out bag, any kind of camping situation. I keep mine on my motorcycle, and we have at least 4 in total. This one is a little bit damaged. You'll see it in the video. We're going to talk about it a little bit. I'm going to leave the links in the description box below for you guys to get your own. And if there's anything you want to see tested or tried out with the UCO Candle Lantern, please let us know in the comments below and we'll be more than glad to do that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get to it. Also, as a disclaimer, I do want to say, do not stick your fingers to that top silver plate after blowing it out. I accidentally done it, and it is a highly, highly regrettable decision. So today we have something very cool to talk about on the channel to review. I will have the links to these in the description box below so you guys can get your own. These are the UCO Candle Lanterns, and they are very cool. This is a candle we made a while back, our own. My husband made his own mold of these, and we took our attempt at making them. Sadly, the dog got a hold of it a while ago, so this one is a Beeswax. This is the original white, and they also offer these candles in a Citronella version for bug repellent. So I'm going to show you guys the candle, and then we are going to light it. We've had UCO candle lanterns for a really long time, years now, and the yellow one's mine, and this is my husband's first one. I think we have 4 of these all together, and we love them. So we're going to open this one up. I'm going to show you guys how it goes in there and everything, and how you light it, and yeah. So this is the candle overview in general. I'll show you that. I did like the yellow one the most, but now I'm leaning more towards the blue one, so eventually I'm going to upgrade. It has this metal chain here to hang it, and it also has this to carry it. This is your little vent for heat to come out. So once you pull this up, you'll see that it does have a glass in here. Mine has seen some things, so it may be a little hard to get it to function properly, but so there's a glass in here, and this is your chimney, I believe is what it's called. You can pull this down. You don't have to leave it up, or you can leave it up, either or. We have used these in our tents quite a few times on some camping trips. So I'm going to show you guys how to unload and load a candle into it. So down here at the bottom, the rigid part, it does just unscrew and it comes out. Now, I do not have one personally yet, but there is an insert for the UCO Candle Lantern, and it is a lamp oil insert. I am very curious about getting it. As you can see, I had the Beeswax candle in here. So you just unscrew the bottom, and there's a spring, so be careful when you do because it can shoot out. And then this just pulls off, and your candle will mount to this little piece right here. Sit on it, and when you push it up in here, that goes there. Your spring presses against that bottom plate, and then this pushes into the bottom, and it's ready to go up in your insert. And that's how you load it. It's been a long time since we have used our UCOs, but if there's anything you're curious about, leave it in the comments section. We'll be more than willing to test out some theories and stuff and film it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this. We're going to light it up real quick, and we are going to, I have no idea what's wrong with mine. Like I said, it has seen some things. So it's definitely not the greatest at it. So let's go ahead and light this up and let it burn for a little bit. Now, the UCO Candle Lantern, you can get this in quite a bit of colors. I am leaning towards getting a blue one soon, so here it is lit. And these are survival candles. They will last a really long time. I believe one of them was 8 hours, and I believe another one is longer than that. I don't remember for sure which one. I believe the beeswax one. I believe this one does indeed burn the longest. So, and I was right, mine is damaged. So we're going to blow mine out and we're going to light my husband's, and I'm going to show you what it looks like fully together. So we're going to light this one. And then we're going to bring up the glass for you guys to see. And there we go. I'm sorry, mine was damaged. It took quite a big fall last camping trip. And there we go. If you guys have any questions or if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below. If there's anything you want to see tested out with this, we can definitely do it, because I know this top part gets really hot up here, and we could definitely probably try to boil some water or something on there. Let me guys know what you want to see, and we'll definitely do it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, and we will see you guys in the next video.